Redmi A1 Plus is set to launch in India today. The Xiaomi sub-brand announced the same via tweet. Redmi A1 Plus is expected to arrive with a leather texture finish on the rear panel. The all-new Redmi A1 Plus is set to be available in black, light green, and light blue shades in the Indian market. It comes with a nice and clean and attractive design and clean Android 12 Go software for a nice and fluid experience with fingerprint sensor. The smartphone comes with 6.52 HD Plus display with a 120Hz touch sampling rate. 5000 mAh battery which has a massive standby time. It has dual rear camera setup with 8 megapixels is the primary sensor and front 5 megapixel selfie shooter. It is powered by MediaTek Helio A22 processor along with 4 ARM Cortex-A53s operating up to a super fast 2.0 GHz. Redmi A1 Plus comes with 32GB storage and 3GB RAM. Diwali offer priced at 6,999 rupees for 2GB 32GB and 7,999 rupees for 3GB 32GB.